Mr. Bean is a funny man, but his real career is also very interesting. His real name is Rowan Atkinson. He is from England. When he was young, he was very shy. He did not speak much, but he liked to make faces and small jokes. Rowan studied engineering at university. He wanted to work with machines. But in his free time, he joined a comedy club. There, he learned how to act. People laughed a lot when he made silly faces without words. One day, a TV producer saw him and said, "You can be on television." Rowan was not sure. He said, "I'm not very good at talking." The producer smiled. "That's fine," he said. "You don't need many words." Soon, Rowan created Mr. Bean. He used his face, his body, and small sounds to make people laugh. No matter the language, everyone could understand him. Mr. Bean became very popular on television. The show was simple. In each episode, Mr. Bean had a small problem. He tried to solve it in a strange way. Sometimes he wanted to eat in a restaurant. Sometimes he wanted to go shopping or go to the beach. But things never went normally. Rowan acted with great detail. He could show fear, surprise, or joy with just his eyes or hands. People in many countries liked it. They did not need to understand English to laugh. In the 1990s, Mr. Bean was in many countries' TV channels. Rowan traveled a lot for interviews. People in airports came to him and said, "Hello, Mr. Bean." Even children knew him. But Rowan was more than Mr. Bean. He also acted in other shows and films. He liked to play smart and serious characters too. Still, most people remembered him as the man in the brown jacket and red tie. After years of TV success, Rowan made a Mr. Bean movie. In 1997, Bean the Movie came to cinemas. It was about Mr. Bean visiting America. The movie was very popular and made a lot of money. Rowan worked very hard during filming. "Comedy without words is difficult," he said in an interview. "You must think about every small movement." Later, he made another movie, Mr. Bean's Holiday, in 2007. This time, Mr. Bean traveled to France. Again, there were many funny situations. He lost his ticket, met strange people, and made a mess at a film festival. Rowan also did voice work for an animated Mr. Bean show. Many children loved it because it was colorful and easy to understand. Even though he was famous, Rowan stayed a quiet man in private life. He liked cars, engineering, and time with his family. Rowan's career is not only about comedy. He also acted in the Johnny English films. In these movies, he played a silly spy who always made mistakes but somehow won in the end. The films were a mix of action and humor. People asked him many times, "Will you stop playing Mr. Bean?" Rowan said, "Maybe one day, but not now. Mr. Bean is special. He belongs to the world, not only to me." He explained that Mr. Bean is like a child in an adult body. This is why people laugh. We all remember times when we did something silly or simple. Today, Rowan is one of the most famous comedy actors in the world. His shows and movies are still watched by millions. And even if he stops acting one day, Mr. Bean will continue to make people smile for many years.